Running is something really amazing and it has so many benefits. If you run 40 minutes without a stop, first of all you will boost up your immunity, you will have much stronger willpower, and besides this, it will help you if you have any emotional disbalance, if you are unable to express your emotions properly to others, you feel shy, you feel reserved, or if you can express your emotions but they break out hysterically. In both of these cases, if you do 40 minutes long runs, it will really help you to stabilize and improve the way how you express your emotions, your ability to express your emotions properly. Also, if you have difficulties to fall asleep or you have bad sleep in general, then 40 minutes long runs will really help you in this area too. You will be able to fall asleep quickly and you will sleep much better. Also, if you want to have better memory, if you run for 40 minutes long, then this will boost up your ability to memorize things. And one more thing, if you have any problems related to the skin, like spots, herpes, external problems with the skin, or if you have ulcer, gastritis, some problems with intestines, the skin or the mucous membranes that cover the surface of the internal organs, any such problems can be really benefited if you go for 40 minutes long run, as 40 minutes long run really cleanses the lymph system of the body. All that is connected with the skin layer will get benefited. And how to run? You should run in a peaceful way, in a relaxed way, that you can breathe peacefully, but at the same time you feel some heat in the body, you get tired, but you should run in a positive mood. Try to listen to something if you can't be positive while you're running. If your mind is too much disturbed, listen some audio, nice music, listen to the birds outside. Everything will benefit you a lot. And how often to run? Well, you should run 2 times a week, 3 times a week. 40 minutes long is a good amount. If you run more often than every second day, it might be too much for your body and it might increase the tension and cause some problems. But it depends on every person. Also, if you are unable to run 40 minutes long, then you can walk. Only this should be done twice longer. So 40 minutes run has the same benefits as 80 minutes long walk. So have a nice day, go for a walk, go for a run, peace, and I see you later.